Guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, Selin, if you're new here, you're most of you welcome. I'm going to be coming up to you with this pink pepper eye makeup look, kind of a bit dramatic, but trust me guys, trust me, super duper easy to recreate. I only used 2 or 3 eyeshadow to achieve this eye look. You don't need to get life twisted for yourself. Like seriously, sis, where are we? What are we thinking? What are we not thinking about this look? And check out this look. You know what I mean, sis? You know we are one. You know what I mean? You get what I feel. You get what I'm saying. You know where I'm coming from, where I'm going to. Anyway guys, enough of it. So super into this look. Like seriously, with this look you can go to anywhere with this look, but trust me, bear it in mind, I don't think I can run around with these lashes on the street. Like hell no. Like for this look, perfect. I was a bit curious if it's not going to turn out the way I want, but it was super. Like at the snap of finger I got the look. Okay, and for my eyebrows, as you can see, it's super wispy today because everything has to be in balance, everything has to match together, blend together. Anyways sis, no further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this eye look. But before I forgot guys, to achieve this look I use Catrice the Spices palette to achieve this super beautiful palette. You're good to go for everyday look. You can always manipulate, play with it, depends on the look you're going for. And all the products I use guys is going to be down below. Basically I did my face off camera, so I just focus on this eye. You guys can really get in depth on this look. I'm feeling this look. It has been a minute since I wear a wig. Like I'm not used to it anymore. But let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take a chat. What up? So as you can tell, I did one eye off camera, reason being in case if I don't like the look, so I can easily transfer it. And unfortunate, lucky me, I'm loving how I'm loving it. So let's just get down to do the other eye. Base, I'm going to be taking the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation and the Elegant concealer. Okay, so I'm just going to mix both of them together, just on top. The reason why I'm using these 2 concealer because they have a lot of coverage. This brush right here, this one is by Loreal Virgin Prime Brush. I'm just going to mix it at the back of my hand and go ahead and apply it on my eyelid. So as you can tell today guys, don't judge my eyebrow, if not they are going to come for you. Like seriously, the one I'm going for, no, not what I want to say. What I wanted to say actually, this is how I want my eyebrow to look like today. Very sleepy and fluffy, you know what I mean. So that is how I'm going to blend in my eyeshadow base. And because the lashes, honey, the lashes is that we are going to be popping on today guys, the lashes, oh my day, lashes call for this eye look and the eye shape. So I can't really do anything, like I'm sorry guys, but I know you guys are going to love after we are done with the makeup. You guys are going to love it, trust me. So that is why my eyebrow is a bit wispy today, as you can see, fluffy like nobody business. So yes, beauty blender palette, beautiful palette. This is the second time I'm using it. In my transition color, I'm going to be taking the shade right here called Cinnamon, this one right here, and I'm taking the Anastasia brush and I'm just going to use that gently. I'm going to be dropping my eye, I'm not going to open my eyes, so that it can really be fluffy. It can be really like a cat eye, if that makes sense. So yeah, this brush is too small for my liking. I like long brushes, so I'm just going to fluff it out towards my brow area. So yeah, to be taking this shade right here, this one is called Close Love or what, I'm going to leave the name down below. Okay, Close Love, whatever. The line is not small, don't worry. I'm going to be taking the other side. Make sure I blend it perfectly without, I'm not transferring that shade to my brow bone area. As you can see, my brow bone is super far away from my crease right now. At the same time, I'm still going to kind of make a V on my outer corner. So yeah, here we go, honey, here we go. So mark this one right here, this kind of a light kind of purple shade. I'm just going to blend out my edges for any arch line so we can have a dimension as well, very gently, without no hard feelings. Okay. Gently, be gentle, be gentle. Taking this Juvia's Place brush, and this one is called Definer. I'm just going to spray it myself with a matte fix plus, and I'm taking this pepper pink shade right here, this one right here. I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. I'm not going too crazy with my lid. I'm just going to kind of make a V, you know. So yes, very pigmy eyeshadow, super pigmy. I love it. You see the color, honey? You see the color? Our lid is calling pepper. This side, and taking this same brown, the one I used to smooth out the outer V, I'm just going to go ahead, kind of blend the edges around very softly without you transferring any color on your crease. Very softly. Okay, taking the Maybelline Eyestudio gel, I'm just going to kind of make a wing liner. I'm just going to wing, not wing liner. What am I even saying? Am I even concentrating? Excuse me, guys. So I'm just going to kind of, you know, the line is not going to be smooth. I'm just going to make it very, you know, ruffle. Okay, going to be a little bit ruffled, but I'm not bringing it towards my inner corner because I'm going to be applying a black shade right there. So, and I'm going to be taking this into my crease just like so. Brown once again, this one right here, I'm just going to use it to blend that in my crease, exactly the place the eyeshadow ended. Just going to blend in without you not seeing any sharp line from the eyeliner. And then a bit on my inner corner because I do have tears most times when I don't apply any gel liner. So I want the brown to be at the outer corner and the black in the inner corner. That's a look, right? That's a look. This one right here and this brown shade, I'm just going to buff that on my lower lash line, on my bottom lashes. Sorry, I'm off camera. Color is still popping, so I decided to give it a try, and which is super duper easy, guys. Trust me, super easy. I'm still going to go ahead and apply that color because we are lost in it, the process of blending. So this need to pop out more, you know. Be right back. I'm going to finish the rest of my face. I'm coming to apply the drama lashes. Okay, don't go anywhere. Just a moment, guys. I'm back. I'm done with my face. I'm just going to go ahead and apply mascara. And before I go in with the dramatic lashes, guys, pray for me. Pray for me I don't mess up. Like, seriously, I've worn long lashes in the past, but I wasn't really into it that much. But let me just try this, and I hope it's okay for the look. Check this out, guys. This is so long. This is so long, guys. Okay. I can't even hold it. guys what I was thinking. My memory card full, so I had to delete some videos, and I went ahead and applied the other one off camera. As you can see, I'm loving these lashes because it's not heavy at all. It's not heavy at all. I'm loving it, like seriously. This lashes is so bomb. Boomy, 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 boomy. Boomy, 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 boomy. Let me come closer, guys. Give these lashes some accolades. If you have not subscribed because of these lashes, show me some love and subscribe, because this lashes is everything, honey. Sis, what are you waiting? Don't sleep. I'm going to be taking this lip liner. Is from Flormar, and this one is called what is the name? I can't find the name, guys. Keep in cool, yeah. It's going to line my lips. Go ahead and use my Loreal Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in Candyman. Beautiful. Perfectly. And I'm going to top it, of course, with the ABH lip gloss. This one is called, I have to close my eyes before I see the name because it's very small. Simple only. It's very beautiful lip gloss. Just, oh my god, just see how it spices the lip. I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to, try to make my wig look on fleek or not on fleek. Try to make it sleek so that this face can have the same degree with this old look. Okay, just wait.